Open the box by using the tabs on the front of the box. Remove the cardboard insert by pulling upwards on the 2 foam cutouts. Do not discard this insert or any other part of the main box. Take out your accessory box and open using the Open Me tab. Inside, you will find your instruction manual, some fun Nailbot stickers, your Nailbot ink cartridge, and your power cord. Take out your Hello Beautiful bag. Inside of it, you will find your phone cradle, some alcohol wipes for usage, canvas white polish, primer, and your Seal the Deal top coat. Remove your Nailbot from the plastic wrapping and do not discard it. Move the finger shield down and out of your way and then remove the white tape. Pull the ink cartridge towards the center of your Nailbot. Stop when it reaches the finger guide sticker. Take your Nailbot ink cartridge out of its clip. Do not discard the plastic clip or let the bottom of the ink cartridge touch any surfaces. Insert the cartridge by tilting it upward and pushing it into its holder. Push the ink carriage to the right and stop when it is no longer visible. Insert the power cord's tip into the Nailbot's power jack. Plug the power cord into a nearby electrical outlet. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button. Your Nailbot will light up when it is on.